Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we're alone? What if I told you that there's a planet 6 times the mass of Earth located just 20 light-years away? That's like our next-door neighbor in cosmic terms. This planet, known as HD20794d, orbits a star much like our own sun. What makes HD20794d so fascinating is its location. It resides in the habitable zone, the sweet spot where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on its surface. HD20794d is classified as a super-Earth. This means it's bigger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Super-Earths are like the big siblings of our planet. They have a greater surface area, potentially providing more space for life to emerge. Their stronger gravity could hold onto a thicker atmosphere, shielding them from harmful radiation. Scientists are particularly interested in super-Earths because they are the most common type of planet found in our galaxy. Studying them could unlock secrets about planet formation and the potential for life elsewhere. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. That's the habitable zone in a nutshell. Also known as the Goldilocks zone, it's the region around a star where temperatures are ideal for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Why is liquid water so important? Because it's essential for all life as we know it. On Earth, wherever we find water, we find life. So, planets in the habitable zone are prime candidates in our search for life beyond Earth. HD20794d travels around its star in an elliptical orbit. This means its distance from the star varies throughout its year. At times it's closer, receiving more warmth. At other times it's farther away, experiencing a cooler period. This elliptical orbit is particularly exciting for scientists. As the planet moves closer and farther from its star, its atmosphere will experience changes. These changes could be detectable with powerful telescopes offering clues about the composition of HD20794d's atmosphere and potentially revealing the presence of biosignatures. Section 5. Seeking Life Signature, the hunt for biosignatures. Imagine for a moment searching for the faintest whisper across a crowded room. Now amplify that challenge to a cosmic scale. This is what scientists face when they search for biosignatures, those elusive signs of life, on distant exoplanets. Yeah, that's the challenge of detecting biosignatures on distant exoplanets. These planets, orbiting stars light years away, are often shrouded in mystery. Their faint light barely reaches us, making the task of identifying life-supporting conditions incredibly complex. Biosignatures are, well, like chemical fingerprints that could indicate the presence of life. These fingerprints are hidden in the light that travels from the planet to us, carrying with it clues about the planet's atmosphere and surface. They might be gases in the atmosphere, like oxygen produced by plants or methane, which on Earth is often associated with microbial life. These gases, when found in the right combinations, could hint at biological processes, or even patterns of light reflected from the planet's surface, suggesting the presence of vegetation. Imagine detecting the faint glimmer of chlorophyll, the pigment that makes plants green, from light years away. Honestly, finding these subtle clues is no small feat. It's like piecing together a puzzle where most of the pieces are missing and the picture is constantly changing. It requires incredibly sensitive instruments capable of detecting the faintest signals amidst the overwhelming noise of the universe. These instruments must be precise enough to separate the light of a distant planet from the blinding glare of its host star, and of course, advanced telescopes capable of analyzing the light from faraway worlds. These telescopes act as our eyes in the cosmos, revealing details that are otherwise invisible to us. But it's not just about the tools, it's also about the brilliant minds behind them, scientists who tirelessly analyze data, develop new techniques, and push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. The hunt for biosignatures is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a quest to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? And with every discovery, we take one step closer to finding out. Section 6. Beyond our blue marble. The quest for life beyond Earth. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering if we are truly alone in the universe. Our blue marble Earth is teeming with life. But could there be other worlds out there, harboring life forms as diverse and complex as those on our planet? This question has driven scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike to explore the cosmos. The discovery of HD 20794 and other potentially habitable exoplanets has ignited our imagination. These exoplanets, located in the so-called Goldilocks zone, are neither too hot nor too cold, making them prime candidates for supporting life. With each new discovery, we inch closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: is Earth unique, or is life a common phenomenon in the universe? Are we alone in the vastness of space? The sheer scale of the universe is staggering, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Around many of these stars, planets orbit, some of which may have conditions suitable for life. The enormity of it all makes the possibility of life elsewhere seem almost inevitable, yet we have no definitive proof, at least not yet. Or are there other forms of life out there, perhaps even civilizations looking up at their own night sky, wondering the same thing? Could there be intelligent beings pondering their place in the cosmos just as we do? The thought of distant civilizations with their own cultures, technologies, and histories is both thrilling and humbling. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. Astronomers and scientists are using advanced telescopes and space missions to scan the skies, searching for signs of life. From analyzing the atmospheres of distant planets to listening for signals from intelligent civilizations, the quest is as much about technology as it is about curiosity and hope. It has the potential to answer fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos and the nature of life itself. If we find life elsewhere, it would forever change our understanding of biology, evolution, and the universe. And if we don't, it would make the existence of life on Earth all the more extraordinary, a rare gem in the vast expanse of space. Section 7, HD 20794 days. A stepping stone in cosmic exploration. HD 20794 days is like a stepping stone, guiding us further down the path of cosmic exploration. While it's too early to say for sure whether this super-Earth harbors life, its presence in the habitable zone makes it a prime target for future observations. As our telescopes become more powerful, we'll be able to study its atmosphere in greater detail, searching for those telltale signs of life. Section 8. The future of exploration, telescopes and technologies. The future of exoplanet research is incredibly exciting. New, more powerful telescopes are being built right now. These telescopes will allow us to study exoplanets like HD 20794 days in ways we could only dream of before. Imagine being able to map the surface of a distant world, analyze its weather patterns, or even search for signs of cities or civilizations. Section 9. Our place in the cosmos. The bigger picture. In the vast expanse of the universe, our planet is but a tiny speck, a fragile blue dot suspended in the cosmic void. Yet it is here on this small world that life as we know it has flourished. This chapter invites us to step back and consider the bigger picture, to reflect on our place in the cosmos, and the profound questions that arise when we gaze at the stars. The search for life beyond Earth is about more than just finding aliens. It's a quest to understand the very fabric of existence, to uncover the mysteries of creation, and to explore the potential for life in the most unexpected corners of the universe. Every star we observe, every planet we discover, brings us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? It's about understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. When we look at Earth from space, we see a world teeming with life, a planet that has nurtured countless species over billions of years. But beyond our atmosphere lies an infinite expanse, a realm of endless possibilities. Could there be other worlds like ours, cradling life in their oceans, skies, and soils? Are we unique, or is life a common occurrence throughout the universe? The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. These distant worlds, orbiting stars light years away, offer tantalizing hints of what might be possible. Some are rocky and Earth-like, while others are gas giants with swirling storms. Each one is a piece of the puzzle, a clue in the search for life beyond our solar system. What does it mean to be alive? And what are the possibilities for life to evolve and thrive in different environments? Life as we know it is incredibly diverse, adapting to extreme conditions on Earth, from the icy depths of the Antarctic to the scorching heat of volcanic vents. If life can thrive in such extremes here, what might it look like on a distant exoplanet with entirely different conditions? Could it be microbial, or something far more complex and intelligent? These are big questions, but They are questions that we are now beginning to explore with the help of incredible discoveries like HD20794d. This super-Earth-like exoplanet, located in the habitable zone of its star, represents a beacon of hope in our search for extraterrestrial life. It reminds us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of potential. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, we edge closer to uncovering the secrets of the cosmos and our place within it.